Not doing it, and you cannot force me to do it. Yes or no? Do you agree or not agree?
You don't get to ask me questions.
This lunatic ex-wife refuses to follow court orders and shows the most disrespectful behavior in the courtroom.
Okay, what can I do to help you all today?
Get us off of your docket is what you could do. Go ahead, Lacey. Start talking.
That's pretty specific. Ms. Kimball?
Yes, specific.
Go ahead, Ms. Kimball.
A custody evaluation was completed, and so we have filed a motion for drug screening and a motion for a psychological exam based upon that custody evaluation recommendations.
Blah, 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 blah,
And
blah.
talking. You'll be able to respond in just a second. Ms. Kimball, you can go ahead and finish, and then Ms. Stiles, you'll have an opportunity to respond in just a minute.
I need to pause the hearing. I don't have an attorney. Can you give me some time to get an attorney? I haven't had adequate time to obtain an attorney, and my attorney withdrawed, and I'm going to need one appointed by the state.
That's not an option.
Okay, then go ahead.
A drug screen.
You think that this behavior is going to help your case by being snarky and disrespectful to the judge in a custody case?
A drug test, and you say psychological or psychiatric? I thought you said
A psychological exam.
What is your response to those things? Let's go with the drug screening part. Do you have an objection to taking a drug test?
I'm not going to pay for it because I'll tell you up front, I'll fail.
When was the last time you took?
I use it daily, all day, every day. And it's legal in what states? California. So we can either get there or not get there. Your choice tonight.
Stop. I'm pretty low key. You need to be respectful. Just say Judge Tenek. Okay. It's pretty easy. You use all day, every day.
Not really day, every day, but I use it daily, if that helps you with your interpretations. Mr. Low-Key, Honorable Judge tonight.
I'm not interpreting. I just said what you said. What is your response to the request for a psychological evaluation?
I'm not doing it, and you cannot force me to do it. Yes or no? Do you agree or not agree?
You don't get to ask me questions right now.
I'm not doing a psych eval, and you cannot make it mandatory.
Interesting. In terms of the motion to compel, where they're talking about discovery, what's your response to their motion to compel?
Have you read their discovery? When are you going to view my videos?
You need to answer my question.
I answered your goddamn question.
So I'm going to warn you that it is completely inappropriate to swear like that in court. You need to put yourself back on camera.
Why do we have Zoom court? She needs to be in a courtroom because the bailiff or the sheriff or whomever will be able to stop this crazy behavior immediately. She is in her PJs on a couch and a blanket. This judge is doing such a good job handling his cool, and she is so out of line.
Thank you. In terms of their request for deposition dates, what's your response to that?
What dates? And whose expense? Mine? Because if it's mine, I'm not doing it. Sanction, give me $100 fee. Woo,
Okay,
woo.
well, so I am finding you in direct contempt.
Okay, one fine.
Finding you $100.
Okay, make it two. Damn, I said 2 words.
Ma'am, I don't think you want to do this. I will, as I said, sanction you.
Please do. Here, I'm sure she wants my apartment number, right? Turn it to Miss Kimball. You're going to want...
Stop. That's not something that she asked for. You don't get to do this for your own pocketbook. I'm muting you for, all right, I'm going to count that as another violation. So in terms of the request that she opted out after flipping me off.
Okay, so it's not a criminal court. He can't hold her in contempt. He's just got to fine her $100. If that lady gets custody of the kids, I will lose my faith in the American judicial system. She's out of control and insane. And kudos to the judge for keeping his cool, because I would be like, get out of here, lady.